Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another video. In this video I will show you how you can actually look into someone inventory. So to do so, you will be needed some plugins and a lot of stuff, and it will be so annoying for you. And that's not our case for today. I will just show you the command that you will need in order to see his inventory, and if you have the plugin in your server, you will be able to see it. So first of all, go for example to your Word or your server, and then invite your friends or whatever person that you want to see his inventory. And after doing so, what you have to do basically is click /I see and then the name of the person. So after doing so, you will be able to look at your friend's inventory. That's as long as you have the op command. So if you have the /op command and you have all the access to the permissions, you will be able to see his inventory. And again, once again, that will only work at the multiplayer server that got plugin in them. If you have like a normal server, like a survival one with your friends without any plugins, you will not be able to use this command. All you have to do in order to see his like inventory is killing him. So but that's like starting a fight with him, winning the fight, and by the end you will be able to look at his inventory. For example, if he stole something from you or anything, you will be able to see it after they kill him and you drop his items. So once again guys, if you want to see your friend's inventory or anyone from your server inventory, you can just type /I see or inventory see and the player name, or else you will have to kill him in order to see it. And I really prefer the first one because it's so peacefully. So thank you guys for watching, and see ya in the next tutorial. Bye bye.